we will discuss regarding topic drug dependence and drug abuse. What do you mean by drug? What do you mean by dependence? What are the various types of drug dependence? And when we know that drug abuse, what is the term? Also we will discuss regarding if the person is dead due to drug abuse, what are the characteristic postmortem changes that we will that found in the body. This is also we will discuss today. What do you mean by drug? Substance other than those required for the maintenance of normal health that when taken into the living organism may modify one or more of its function. Whatever the drug having the function, when it introduced into the living body, it produces its actions. Substance dependence means person is having the maladaptive pattern of substance use. Maladaptive pattern means though not required but person is taking, leading to a cluster of behavioral, cognitive and psychological phenomena that develop after repeated intake. In the cases of substance dependence, person have a strong desire to take the drug. There will be difficulty in controlling its uses. There is a persisting in its use despite harmful consequences, a higher priority given to the drug use rather than other activity and other obligation. And person is more involved in the use of this type of drugs. There is a increased tolerance occur, means the dose that require first effect that is produced by the small dose, and same effect with that drug is required large dose. So there is a tolerance is developed, and person having the, if the person is not taking this type of drug, then it may, he or she may develop withdrawal symptom. So this is known as substance dependence. Diagnostic and statistical manual. Fourth criteria for the diagnosis of substance abuse dependence, that any that will be symptom, various symptom, and out of this symptom any three or more that symptom that will be present in the person at any time during the 12-month period. If these are the various symptoms that will be present in the persons and more than 3 symptoms that will be counted during the period of 12 months. If this is present, we can say that person is having the substance dependence. So first of all, there will be tolerance. Second one, if the person is not taking, then there will be withdrawal symptom occur. There will be substance taken for the longer period, and it will be in the large amount. There will be persistent desire or unsuccessful effort. Great deal of time spent in the activity. Suppose there will be, in the case of washing, taking the bathing, person consuming more time than routine time. There will be important activity given up or reduced, though daily important work that will be reduced. And substance use continues despite problem. So these are the known as diagnostic and statistical manual 4th edition criteria. Polysubstance dependence, this term reserved for the behavior during the 12-month period in which person was repeated using the 3 group of substance, but no single substance is predominant. This is known as polysubstance dependent. Substance abuse, what is that? There will be persistent or sporadic excessive drug use inconsistent with or unrelated to acceptable medical practice. There will be maladaptive pattern of substance use manifested by the recurrent and significant adverse consequences related to the repeated intake of drug. This problem must occur recurrently during the same 12-month period, and the most commonly substance abuse will be the alcohol and the tobacco. Diagnosis of substance abuse, diagnostic and statistical manual 4th criteria include any harmful consequence of repeated use. Any of one or more should be occurred within the 12 months. There will be recurrent substance use. There is a failure to fulfill major role obligation. There will be recurrent substance use in the case, and if the person is not taking, there will be physical hazardous, recurrent substance related legal problem, and substance use continues despite problem. Though problem is solving, but person is taking for the getting the pleasurable activity. Substance intoxication, there will be unwanted physiological or the psychological effect that cause maladaptive behavior. There will be Person must produce disturbance in the level of consciousness. That will be cognition, persistence, perception, affect, or the behavior. So these are known as substance intoxication. In the case of diagnosis of substance intoxication, there will be development of reversible substance. There is a specific syndrome due to recent ingestion of the substance. There will be clinically significant maladaptive behavior or psychological changes due to effect of substance on the CNS or during or shortly after use of substance. Symptoms not due to general medical condition or another medical disorder. What do you mean by drug misuse? There is a state psychic, with the person having the psychic state, and sometimes also physical, resulting from the interaction between the living organism and the drug. And this interaction will be characterized by the behavior and other responses that always include a compulsion to take the drug on a continuous and periodic basis in order to experience the psychic effect. So there is a person having the person taking the drug. So it will be producing various interaction between the living organism and the drug, and this interaction will be behavior and other responses that including the compulsion. There is so much compulsion, person is compelled to take the drug. So that's why there is a compulsion to take the drug on a continuous and periodic basis in order to experience the psychic effect, and sometimes to avoid discomfort of its actions. Tolerance may or may not be present. Now, what do you mean by drug dependence? There are types of drug dependence. The first of all, we will discuss drug addiction. Chronic disorder characterized by the compulsive use of drug, means there is a craving effect produces, resulting in the physical, psychological and the social harm, and continued use despite evidence of that harm. Denial. For example, there will be alcohol, tobacco, cannabis, opiate, sedative and the tranquilizer that all produces drug addiction. Drug habituation, it is a relatively minor compared to the drug addiction. There is a condition resulting from the repeated consumption of a drug in which there is a psychological and emotional dependence of the drug occur. In the case of drug addiction, if the person is withdrawing, person is not taking, then withdrawal symptom will be present in the case of person if the person is drug addiction. In the case of drug habituation, there is no such physical withdrawal symptom that will be present. In the case of drug habituation, there is only a psychological dependence and no such physical dependence. In the case of drug addiction, it will be physical and the psychological dependence that will be present. Physical in the form of when the person is taking the person do the stop after taking the drug, then there will be withdrawal symptoms that will be produces. Caffeine, nicotine, these are the various known as drug habituation. Difference between, in the case of drug addiction, compulsion is always present. In the case of drug habituation, there is a desire, but there is no such compulsion that will be present. The first dose will be, for example, 100 milligram. Then it will be increasing repeatedly. So the tendency to increase the dose. And second one, in the case of drug habituation, there is no such tendency. Dependence, physical as well as psychological. There is some degree of psychological present, but there is no such physical dependence is present. Withdrawal symptom is characteristic in the case of drug addiction, means the person is taking the drug, then there will be withdrawal symptom is present. In the case of habituation, there is no such withdrawal symptom is present. It is both to the individual and the society. In the case of habituation, it is harmful to the only individual. Now, what are the various drug of dependence and the abuse? As I told you, alcohol, tobacco, tranquilizer and the sedative, means the depression, drug that is used for the depression. There will be opiates, heroin, morphine, stimulant, amphetamine, cocaine, hallucinogen, LSD, marijuana, inhalant, miscellaneous various caffeine, deliriant, analgesic, anabolic steroids, antacids and the laxatives. These are the various drug that is used for the drug dependent. Physical or the psychophysiological dependence, an alteration in the neural system in which it is manifested by the tolerance and appearance of the withdrawal phenomena when a chronically administered drug is discontinued or displaced from its receptor. There is a neuroadaptation is occurring. This is the physical dependence. Means person, there is a such neural system will be altered in which it will be manifested by the tolerance and the appearance of the withdrawal symptom when the person is discontinued from the taking the drug. Psychological compulsive need for a drug in order to maintain a state of well-being. Only to get the status of well-being, person is psychological dependent, and it can occur in the absence of physical dependence. Drug addiction, there are 3 stages. First of all, person having the habituation. Person is habituated to the some drug. Then person is dependent on that drug. So there will be physical dependence that will be produced. How can we say that physical dependence? There will be, first of all, dose will be increased to get the same effect. So tolerance will be increased, and person is, if not, drug is not available, then there is a symptom that is known as withdrawal symptom that will be present. So this is the second step. This is known as physical dependence. And there will be third will be the tolerance. So any of these 3 stages are pharmacological more important in the case of drug addiction. 2 group of addict, those who originally used drug for the some disease, and second one, those who use the drug for its narcotic effect alone. What are the various causes? Sometimes person having the genetically hereditary factor. Second one will be the abnormal mental condition. Third one will be the frustration in the life. There will be so much anxiety that will be produces. Chronic tension. There is a physical inability of the person to do the various activity, and person having the curiosity. So these are the various causes that will be produces the addiction. So these are the photographs showing the how to take the drug. Now what are the various symptoms of the drug dependence if the person is taking the drug for a long time? So there is a nutrition, various nutrition, it will be deprived. So there is a vitamin deficiency, mineral deficiency, and person having the loss of appetite, and there is a weight will be the reduced. So loss of weight also occur. There will be clumsy movement, unsteady gait, and the tremor that will be present. Third one, there is the reddening and the puffiness of the eyes, unclear vision, slurring of the speech, loss of interest, sleeplessness, lethargy, and the passivity, acute anxiety, depression, profuse sweating, mood changes, depersonalization, emotional detachment. There will be impaired memory and the concentration, and the preference for the solitude. Person feel lonely, spending long hour in the toilet or any activity other, and the activity person doing for the longer time. Acute IV, there will be fulminant pulmonary edema, and person having the such produces also immediate collapse, and there is a death of the person also occur. Withdrawal symptom, early withdrawal symptom will be the, most commonly will be the yawning and the rhinorrhea. Second one will be the chilliness. Third one will be the cold sensation and uneasiness. So rhinorrhea and yawning, it is the most common sign symptom, early withdrawal symptom. Late will be the labor, sharp and the rapid respiration, goose skin, lacrimation, gross tremors and the dilated pupil, and anorexia. Third stage, there will be person withdrawal symptom. Third stage, person will be long sleep, and no such awakening will be happen. There will be increased respiratory rate, temperature, blood pressure also increase, pain and the cramps in the legs and abdomen occur. Person having the perspiration, vomiting, and the diarrhea also occur. So these are the known as third stage of withdrawal symptom. Treatment, how should be, what treatment should be given? Person should be removed to an institution. That institution that provide mental support to the person, and person should be shifted to that institution. Second one, constant supervision is required. Means in the absence of supervision, person may take the drug. So constant supervision is required. Detoxification, sedatives. Mind should be diverted to the another activity. Some work has been given to the person, and tendency is that the person should be engaged in such activity. So mind should be diverted. There is a psychotherapy, counseling should be done. What are the various that a person having the health problem or any life problem, that should be properly discussed by the counseling, psychotherapy. Improve general health by giving the good nutrition. Then whatever the symptom that will be present, if there is a person feels the nausea, person feels the vomiting, then according to symptomatic treatment that will be given. Rehabilitation, most importantly, will be the family support is more required. There is a strong family support and the follow-up, person social rehabilitation and the training for the gainful movement. In LH Rainbow Party, multiple drugs mixed and the experimenters select several at a random and there is asked to explain or describe effect of resulting experience. So this is known as Rainbow Party. Person take the multiple drugs and her or his friends tell them what are the various feeling that you feel. You can tell us. So this is known as Rainbow Party. Narcotic addict murder by the hot shot. With the dose of narcotic plus poison, that is a strychnine, it is known as hot shot. Psychoactive drug, what are the various classification? First of all, sedatives, that will be barbiturate, minor tranquilizer, alcohol. Second one will be the stimulant, amphetamine, methylphenidate, cocaine. Opiates will be the heroin, methadone and the morphine. Hallucinogen, fifth one will be the marijuana, major tranquilizer, antidepressant, tricyclic and MAO inhibitor, anti-mania drug. So these are the various psychoactive drug that sedative, stimulant, opiates, hallucinogen, marijuana, tranquilizer, antidepressant and anti-mania drugs. So these are the known as psychoactive drug. Type of dependence is the morphine. Person using the morphine, there is an overpowering desire and need to continue taking the drug and to obtain it by any means and by tendency to increase the dose due to tolerance. If the person is not person having no such drugs, there is a criminal activity is also present in the case of morphine type dependency. There is a high degree of cross tolerance and the physical dependence, longer abstinence of the withdrawal symptom will be occur. Cotton fever, this is the known as fever due to injection of water extract of cotton remaining after the heroin supply is used in the case of bag. Barbiturate type dependence, there is a strong desire to continue the drug and tendency to increase the dose partly due to tolerance, cross tolerance between it and alcohol, withdrawal symptom, there will be barbiturate downer plus amphetamine upper, means barbiturate produces the CNS depressant effect and amphetamine produces CNS stimulant. So this will be some purple heart tablet that will be used by the combination of this drug, barbiturate plus amphetamine. So purple heart tablet. So barbiturate produces also withdrawal symptom also. Cocaine type, there is a overpowering desire to obtain the drug, but tolerance will be absent. Psychodependence and no such withdrawal symptom that will be present. Paranoid psychosis, profound mental depression, severe mental dysfunction. There is a crack, means cocaine should be hitting and some substance, alkali, bicarbonate, it is to be mixed. So this substance that it produces, it will be known as crack. So cocaine type of drug dependence will produces no such withdrawal symptom, only psychological dependence. Cannabis produces psychodependence and no such abstinence syndrome. There is a need or desire is present, but there is a no such tolerance or the no dose will be the increase. Amphetamine, there will be psychic dependence, no such abstinence syndrome. There is a person having the severe excitation, hallucination and the psychosis. Drug abuser elbow, person taking the drug IV. So there is a elbow having the proper various needle mark that will be present. Vein in that cases will be the thickened and muscle in that area will be the ossified. So myositis ossificans due to repeated needle puncture near the elbow in the case of IV drug user. This is known as drug abuser's elbow. Body packers and the body stuffer syndrome. The illegal drugs are introduced into the body and person transfer this drug by going to the another country or another state, and once he or she reaches destination by taking the diarrheal drug, it produces diarrhea and from the toilet it will be again recollected. So illegal drugs are compressed into the cylinder. There is a cylinder 25 into 12 millimeter, means 2.5 centimeter by 1.2 centimeter. It sealed in the plastic film and wrapped again in the multiple layer of latex. There is a condom will be used, balloon, foil, finger or the of rubber gloves, etc. And this cylinder will be the person engulfed. Loperamide taken to reduce the gut motility first. This is done for the purpose of smuggling, that will be known as body packing. On arrival at his destination, courier takes the laxative, retrieve packets and passes them on to the pusher who distributes the drug. This is known as body packer, body stuffer syndrome. Sometimes packet become unsealed and burst in the small intestine, especially cocaine fills the container, allowing massive absorption and the causes courier's death from the poisoning also. Even if packet do not rupture, osmotic seepage across latex wrapping allows small amount of drug to appear in the circulation and urine. Person arrested, if the person is arrested, so they swallow some illegal drugs for the concealing evidence from the authority. This is known as body stuffer. Most packets in the case of X-ray or the CT scan or barium contrast study, drug may be concealed in the ear, mouth, nose, vagina or the rectum. These are the various. Another route also used. Treatment, diazepam should be given. 2-course thiamine and the multivitamin, fluid and electrolyte balance and the oxygen therapy should be given. Toxicology, radiology, that is the drug abuser. So heroin or cocaine carrier, swallow machine made condom wrapped or aluminum foil wrapped pocket, the abdomen film show an atypical gas pattern or unusual number of rounded cigar shaped oblong masses. In the case of person taking the heroin or the cocaine carrier. Opioid user, person X-ray of the abdomen shows the mark, ileum and the colonic destination due to fecal retention. X-ray of the chest of the parenteral drug user shows diffuse granulomatous changes. Chest X-ray may show pulmonary abscess caused by aspiration pneumonitis. Volatile substance abuse. It is also known as solvent abuse or the glue sniffing. Deliberate inhaling of the toluene, petrol, xylene, benzene, methylene, ethylene chloride, fluorocarbon, isopropane, amyl nitrate, acetone, trichloroethylene, methylene chloride, butyl nitrate, ketones. These are the various substances that will be used for the volatile substance abuse for their psychotropic as well as for the hallucinogenic action. They having the such volatile activity. For example, petrol, xylene, benzene, methylene. So these are the person taking these drugs and it is known as volatile substance abuse. It is also known as solvent abuse. It is also known as glue sniffing. Sniffing. Now another term will be the huffing. Means inhaling vapor, the substance that will be poured into the cotton cloth. And from this cotton cloth, person taking the drug. So this is known as huffing. Inhaling vapor from the cloth that's saturated with the volatile substance and held over or near to nose as well as mouth. Bagging. Person taking the drug from the container direct from the bag opener. So inhaling and exhaling into the bag that is filled with a small amount of volatile substance. So this is known as bagging. Sniffing, inhaling directly from the neck of container. There will be, if there is a person having the bottle, some bottle and bottle having the some volatile substance, if the person taking the inhaling the drug from the openers of the bottle, then it is known as sniffing. This liquid, bottle liquid taken into the cloth and person taking the drug by inhaling the cloth, then it is known as huffing. By directly from the bag, it is known as bagging. Symptom, that will be powerful dream, heightened sensation and the detachment of the reality. Person having the irrational behavior, antisocial. Sometimes there is a illegal activities also produces. There is a person may kill himself or injure other also. Completely amnesia for a period of intoxication. No such physical withdrawal symptom is present. Cause of death, there is a person having the cardiac arrest occur due to there is a rhythmic activity of the heart will be the damage. Arrhythmia produces and the cardiac arrest occur. Ventricular fibrillation and the sudden death. There is a hypoxia and the hypercapnia. Plastic bag asphyxia occur. Sometimes aspiration of the vomiting, reflux cardiac arrest as well as sometimes accident is also produces. Postmortem appearance, there is a reddening and excoriation of the skin around the nose and the mouth. Severe damage to the liver, kidney, bone marrow and the nervous system is occur. If the person is dead due to drug abuse, what we should do the investigation and what are the postmortem findings? This is also important. So in the case of scene of crime, person we should have to observe the cloth as well as other ornament, whether the cloth present or not, whether fully clothed or partially clothed, whether the buttons of the clothes will be open or not. This all will be properly discussed. and body shows any injury mark, any needle mark, that is to be taken consideration by examining the cubital fossa. Psychedelic posters surrounding object that will be present, it is also to be considered during the scene of crime, and most importantly, photographs should be taken from the scene of crime. Apparatus and the preparation of the drug for the injection purchased on the street, dilute, heated in the bottle cap or the sooner, and the syringe through the cotton. So these are the apparatus and the preparation of the drug for the means of person taking the drug by purchasing in the available, that is in the street, and it will be diluted, and sometimes it will be, after diluting, it will be heated in the spoon. It is known as cooker, and by this liquid will be introduced into the syringe, and by applying the needle, it will be introduced into the IV line. What are the various external postmortem findings? There is a wasting occur and the sign of self-neglect. There is an extensively tattoo present, stain on the tip of finger, linear needle track, pigmented scar found overlying fibrous vein of the antecubital fossa, forearm, and the dorsal of the hand. So this is known as, whenever the person taking the IV drug line, so there will be mark of vein will be prominent. So it is known as main liner. So linear needle track, pigmented scar will be found over the line of vein. So found overlying fibrous vein of the antecubital fossa, forearms, and dorsa of the hand in the case of main liner. Punctured area of the black discoloration, soot tattooing caused by the deposition of the carbonaceous material along the track of needle. It is known as turkey skin. Injection mark subcutaneous or intramuscularly over upper arms and the thigh, and the froth from the mouth as well as nostrils. Internally, there will be needle scar, mass or perivenous fibrosis in the intravenous adduct, and acute or chronic abscesses or diffuse subcutaneous scarring in the skin proper. Histologically affected areas show fiber necrosis, replacement fibrosis, and infiltration of the polymorph nucleus and the lymphocytes. Pleura, mass or petechial hemorrhage. Lungs will be congested and edematous with a focal hemorrhage, multinodular, gritty texture in the extreme cases. Non-specific pulmonary triad of edema, bronchospasm, and the aspiration of gastric content. So these are the three pulmonary triad: pulmonary edema, pulmonary bronchopneumonia, and aspiration pneumonitis. Heart, there is a valvular disease present, pericardial, pleural, and the peritoneal effusion. GIT content pills or the capsule. Mucosa will be the color, and the unnatural odor will be present. Hepatic lymphadenopathy and hepatic portal triad shows the inflammation. Liver will be enlarged and the cirrhosis changes that will be seen. Splenomegaly, brain will be edematous and the necrosis. Vein will be phlebitis, phlebosclerosis, thrombosis, recent and resolving perivenous hemorrhages. Sample in that cases of person death occur due to drug abuse. We should have to take the sample various blood. Also we have to take the urine, nasal secretion. It will be collected into the swab. Gastric content, it will be used for the sent for the chemical analysis. Bile, liver, kidney, lung, blood vessel, and injection site for the detection and estimation of drug. Now, what are the methods that will be used for the detection of the drug abuse that will be used by the forensic science laboratory? Gas liquid chromatography, thin layer chromatography, and the spectrophotofluorimetry. Complication, person will be of the complication of drug abuse. There will be person will be self-neglect. Person is not taking the nutrition, so there is a malnutrition occur, and dental will be damaged, so dental decay will be occur. In vein, there will be phlebitis, thrombosis, and the pulmonary embolism. Vein become dark, hard, cord-like, and the ulcerate. There will be, if there is a healing, that will be present. So white or the silvery linear scar that will be present. In the case of artery, there is a artery so much narrow that sometimes it produces gangrene also. Infection, there is a cellulitis, abscess, fat necrosis, chronic myositis, septicemia, subacute bacterial endocarditis also produces. Means if the blood is not available to the tissue due to narrowing of the vessel, then this type of cellulitis, abscess, fat necrosis, that will be present. In the case of lung will be inflamed, asthma, bronchitis, pneumothorax, pneumomediastinum, hepatitis B, C, HIV, syphilis, malaria is also present. Person may having the acute and chronic liver disease, kidney problem, psychiatric complication, TB and pneumonia, accident, speller, theft and the prostitute, personal violence and the murder, and sometimes there is the death of the person is occurred. So this is the brain on the drugs, edema in the focal area of necrosis that will be visible. So these are the brief topic regarding the drug dependence and the drug abuse. Thank you very much.